My channel. Today's video is going to be a room tour. I just totally rearranged and decluttered my room. I just got back from university, so I had so much stuff. I basically had 2 bedrooms full of stuff, so I did a massive closet declutter, makeup declutter, reorganized my room decor, kind of changed things up a little bit. I'm really excited to show you guys. And let's just get in. We'll start the room tour as typical room tours start outside of my door. Then when you go in my room, this is kind of the first initial overview. So we'll start behind the door. So behind the door, I just have one of those like over the door full body mirror kind of things. Here on this wall, I have my shoe rack. Start up here. So these 2 chalkboard hook things are from Target. I got them when I was in the States. This hat is from Dynamite. I got it a really long time ago. To be honest, I don't wear it. I just kind of use it as a decor piece. This crazy cactus lady mug was a gift from my friend. And then these are just some little black booties from Forever 21. They're really cute. They kind of have like a western feel to them. And then in this cup, I just have like these like Marilyn Monroe lighters. So in these shoe things, they come down and then they have these shelves, which you can pick where you want the shelf. So the higher up it is, obviously the more space it has down here. So I just have all my like flat sandals in here, some loafers, some moccasins, some heels, just stuff like that. And then in this one, I have some more booties and some sneakers. And in this last one, I took the shelf out of it. It's actually just over there, but I took the shelf out of it and I just have some booties in there. So then to the left of that shoe organizer is my closet, which opens up and looks like this. So then when you look to the left of my closet, I have my vanity section. So here, this vanity is really old. I've had it for years. I've repainted it and refurnished it multiple times. This chair is from IKEA. Garbage can is from IKEA. So yeah, then up here, this is kind of what it looks like. This frame, don't know where the frame is from. The print I just got off Google. This mirror is from HomeSense. This mirror is from IKEA. Then I just have all my makeup brushes here. This little "You Got This" sign, my mom got that for me when I left for university. Cork coasters, those are from IKEA. This white bin is from IKEA, and in there I just have all of my like extra jewelry kind of stuff I don't wear on a daily basis. Those 2 brown boxes are Daniel Wellington jewelry boxes. Then I actually DIY'd this container from an old coffee container, and this fake grass is from HomeSense. Then I just have my laptop on there. In this drawer, I keep all of my like daily skincare stuff. So just have like cotton pads, Q-tips, makeup wipes. And then this drawer is my hair care drawer. Stuff like that goes in there. And then yeah, I just have, like I said, my makeup brushes in here. And then next to the vanity, I have my Alex 9 drawer. I feel like everybody has this, but it's really good storage. The only thing I hate about it is that it's really deep, so it's hard to optimize the storage in the drawers. But yeah, I'll show you what's on top. So on top I have this little ceramic cactus. This was a gift from a friend. I have my necklace I wear almost every day, face wash, and this little storage thing is from HomeSense. In here I just have like necklaces, everyday earrings. I have some face toners, products I use on a daily basis. This is from IKEA. The plant is also from IKEA. And then I just keep all my makeup and stuff in these drawers. I'm not going to go like super in depth. I did just do a huge declutter of this as well. And then in this drawer I just keep like extra makeup wipes, extra cotton pads, stuff like that. this drawer have like fake tan, face mask, body lotion, other face washes. All my face masks and stuff are in here. And then down in this one, I just have more like miscellaneous stuff, brush cleaning mat, stuff like that. And then down in this one, I have all of my hair tools, an extra phone charger, and all of my bath bombs and stuff in there. And in this last one, I just have all my, feminine products. Back there, I have my at-home microdermabrasion, and then I just have some travel size products in there. And next to that, I just have my nightstand kind of area. This nightstand is from IKEA. My whole room is practically from IKEA. This is from IKEA. It's really inexpensive, only like $20 or something. These two white bins, also from IKEA. The top one just has like, typical nightstand stuff like hand cream, lip balm, my retainer, stuff like that. And then the bottom one has like scissors, like paper clips, tape, stuff like that in there. On the top, I have this pillow spray from HomeSense. This Olivia Blake candle is from HomeSense. It's kind of like inspired knockoff of the Jo Malone candles. My alarm clock, another one of those cork coasters, water. This lamp is from IKEA. Then I have this empty Voss water bottle with these fake flowers, which are from the dollar store. This was a DIY I made. Oh, I also have my Google Home back there. I just have some necklaces hanging on there. And then this jewelry holder is also a DIY that I made out of just an old piece of wood and some vintage antique knobs that I found at an antique market. So I really love this. People ask me where I get it from all the time, and yeah, I actually made it. Mostly next to my nightstand is my bed. I have a double bed. This duvet cover, I'm not too sure where it's from. My mom got it. I think it's from Walmart or possibly IKEA. Not too sure. Just have some slippers there. These pillows, this was a gift from my mom. This one's from H&M Home. This one's from Walmart, and those two are from IKEA. And then this is my happy place sign, is from Walmart as well. I also have a gray like body pillow. That cover is from Target. Then up here, I have this framed picture. The frame is from Michaels, and then the print is actually from the poster sale that I had at my university this year. The lighting's gonna go really weird, so I apologize, but this is my window. These curtains are just like white linen curtains from IKEA. So this tote's from IKEA as well, and here's where I keep all my bras, underwear, socks, stuff like that. This kind of jute, or I think they call it seagrass, basket is from IKEA. The blanket in it is from HomeSense, and those little espadrilles are from Forever 21. I just got them, and they're really cute. And then you can't really see it, but up on this wall I have just this hat hanging, which I got at a local market. We go this way. This is from IKEA. Down here I just have my Matt and Nat backpack. Then I have this dresser vanity nightstand kind of thing. I bought this from a garage sale and refurbished it. I just painted it that same like gray color. And then this one has all of my bathing suits. On top, this frame is from Walmart. This print is again from the poster sale. This stone Buddha, I think I got it at a garden center. This is from Indigo. It lights up. Then I just have a picture of me, my mom, and my dad from prom. The frame is from HomeSense. Then next to that, I have this kind of macrame wall thing. That's from HomeSense. This old black stool, I have no idea where this is from. This little backpack I've been using as my purse recently, and that's actually, I thrifted that. And then right next to that stuff, I have another one of these silver metal shelf things from IKEA. Again, really inexpensive. On the top, I have this framed print. I got this at the Adele concert. You can kind of see that the tickets are down there as well. This letterboard is from a little like home decor store in Ottawa called Zone. I just have a mason jar with all of the extra letters in it. That is an empty bottle of Victor Romain Flower Bomb perfume. That's my favorite. Then I have these 3 ceramic cacti. These are from IKEA as well. On this shelf, I have my record player with a Life edition of Marilyn Monroe, and this is like a really cool just like pictorial book, so it just has pictures in it from photo shoots. And this white macrame basket is from HomeSense. In there I just have some books. This and is from HomeSense. That's a mahogany coconut candle from Bath & Body Works. This framed print I got at a garage sale. It is of Marilyn Monroe again. And then down here I have these 2 white baskets, boxes, whatever they're called. These are also from IKEA. This big one has like all my electronic stuff in it. And then this one has extra makeup bags and sunglass cases, stuff like that. And then I just have all of my records there. And lastly, in my room on this wall, I have this like flower glass jar hanging thing. I also made this. Yeah. So this is an overview again of my whole room. So yeah, that was my room. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos now that it's summer and I'm home. I'm going to be doing my best to post regularly. So yeah.